How to open Wise bank account in USA. Sign up. 1. Click on the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose account type. 1. Select the type of account you want to open. 1. You can choose between a personal account and a business account. Enter your email. 1. Provide your email address. 2. Create a secure password for your account. Basic information. 1. Enter your first and last name. 2. Provide your phone number for verification purposes. 3. Create a password and confirm it. Verify your phone number. 1. Wise will send you a verification code via SMS. 2. Enter the code on the website to verify your phone number. Provide personal details. 1. Enter your date of birth. 2. Provide your current residential address in the USA. Identity verification. 1. You will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID. 1. This could be a passport, driver's license, or state ID. 2. You may also be asked to take a selfie or a photo holding your ID for additional verification. Set up security. 1. Choose a security question and answer. 1. This will be used for account recovery. Add funds to your account. 1. Link your bank account or debit credit card to add funds to your Wise account. 2. You can transfer money from your linked bank account or use your card for this purpose. Multi-currency account. 1. After your account is set up, you can start holding and managing multiple currencies. 2. You can get local bank details, like an IBAN in Europe or a sort code in the UK, for different currencies. Start using your account. 1. Once your account is verified and funded, you can start using Wise to send, spend, and receive money globally. 2. You can also order a Wise debit card if you wish to spend your funds directly. Additional tips for U.S. residents. 1. SSN TIN. You may need to provide your Social Security number, SSN, or Tax Identification Number, TIN, during the identity verification process. 2. Linking bank account. Ensure your bank account details are correct when linking your account for smooth transfers. 3. Customer support. If you have any questions or run into issues, Wise has customer support available through their website, including a help center and live chat options. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to open a Wise account in the USA successfully and take advantage of its multi-currency features for your financial needs.